Coffee today with a difference. I am with my wonderful friend Grant Ray from his company is Go to Grant. And I've known Grant for a number of years. Both of us have been in real estate for over 50 years. And Grant specializes in property management, rental management, which is one of the most important parts of property investing is having a good manager. I think everybody knows I drum this in. But wow, this is great, absolutely marvelous. I can't wait for us to drill down a bit and chat and connect again.
It's such an honor to be here with you on your little vlog and to be speaking to the Queen of Real Estate Investment.
Says the King of Rental Management.
Thank you for having me. It's really such an honor.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Well, Grant, so let's just go straight in and say the number one burning question is what makes a good rental manager?
A good rental manager, I would say you'd have to screen on 5 points. First is rental arrears. A good rental manager should be able to talk about the rental arrears that they have within their business. You know, if you've got a rental manager that has arrears beyond 10% monthly, I'd stay clear. And, the second, reviews. It's a review economy. If you can't find online verifiable reviews for your rental agent, don't use them. And then of course a good property management system, good accounting process, good systems, good tools.
And these are not things that just happen overnight. These are things that you've tried and tested and used and fine-tuned these systems with a really hands-on approach that I know you do. So
the systems and tools that a good rental property manager develops over time become invaluable, and it makes them unique in their space. And what makes my business unique is that we've got 5 points that differentiate my business from your average high street rental agency. And it is the arrears rates, it is the reviews, it is using a good property management system, and then using things like video inspections versus a million photographs with endless description for each one. We find
no argument.
No argument at the end. You don't have tenants saying, well, actually that was like that.
Yes.
Just bring up the video. Incorrect.
So do you do this with every single property?
Every single property gets
my investors would love you.
Thorough video inspections.
My investors would love you. This is what we need. We really do, because a video will show everything different to just photographs of a room, because you can zone in, or zoom in, should I say, on something that might have been a problem.
And you can also then screenshot on a pause. So we use a phone stabilizer that they call a gimbal to walk through, and then we voice over on the video.
I can't get my gimbal right. It just doesn't want to balance. I don't know what it is.
I'll give you a quick tutorial. And then of course we use electronic signatures, which we find saves a tremendous amount of time. This printing, scanning,
copious
sending,
papers.
it's painful, it's redundant. So I would work with a rental manager, and if you're doing rentals privately as a landlord, use electronic signatures. They work. And remember, the Alienation of Land Act requires a physical signature on a sale agreement,
Correct.
Not so on a rental agreement.
You use a very interesting system, because yours is an end-to-end closed document, so nobody can go in and change it, but it's really, really great because it's a simplified sign here, sign here, sign here, which even people who are not used to doing digital signatures can use. And I like your system. It's really great.
Very easy system. Anyone can use it. And of course it has a full IP address audit trail. So you know exactly who's actually edited any part. And it goes from one party to the next. And once it's all fully signed, everyone gets a copy.
Happy investing.